Hey guys, Team Hobo here. So I am back in Portugal. We had a 40-hour ship ride and now we're finally back on the mainland. It was actually a bit of a struggle to get into Portugal because the borders are kind of closed only for certain reasons, but we managed it to get in. And here we are. We are here now on a camping site because van life in Portugal is right now not the best thing, but it's really nice here. We have a beautiful view, but the view is not as cool as in El Cotillo. Back in Fuerteventura, it was one of my favorite places to stay because it was wonderful. And yeah, there were like really good waves and also pretty diverse waves. I tried to surf barrels there, only got smashed hard. And then there are also totally different waves that are super mellow. We also did once a beach day in El Cotillo and bought a skimboard for doing that. And that was pretty cool. I realized that in skimboarding you fall very often, very often, but it is a lot of fun. And yeah, I think I'm not saying much more. I'm just showing you my videos.
We are brave, we are free, nothing's stopping you and me. We are the wild ones, we are the fearless. Now's our time to feel alive, we're chasing that golden sky. 'Cause we are young and nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing can hold us back, we can have our fun underneath the sun. Underneath the sun. Underneath the sun. We just do what we dare, living life without a care.
Yeah, why I really liked to sleep in El Cotillo is because you have their amazing sunsets. It's just so wonderful how they are diverse. I was 3 nights in a row there and with 3 different sunsets. Yeah, and it's not only the sunset, it's just like the surrounding. It was so beautiful. When you watch in the mountains, you see like this kind of layers of different mountains behind each other, what looks super cool. And also the sunrise gives super nice light to the clouds. So yeah, the next video will be my last adventure from Fuerteventura. I was one day exploring the island. We went longboarding on a really nice long street and we also visited the caves. So if you want to see that, you know what you have to do. Subscribe to my channel and also feel free to like the video or share this video. Peace out, guys.